Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel, Organized with Joy. For today's Sunday reset, I am going to be resetting our vehicle and cleaning it out with you today to give you some motivation. I just got back from the gym not too long ago, so I'm a bit of a hot mess, but I guess that's okay for cleaning. But today it is actually a beautiful day here in Austin. I need to quit complaining about how hot it is so late in the season, because days like today make living here worth it. It's probably like 65, maybe 70 degrees outside, so it is absolutely gorgeous. But I'm excited today because I was sent a product from the company Xcool, and I'm going to be using that today in my vehicle. It is a miniature vacuum cleaner, and I will talk a little bit more about it here in just a minute, but I did want to show you how simple this is to use. You just hold this down for 3 seconds. So I'm super excited to give this a try here in my vehicle. As you might know, if you've been following my channel for a while, I tend to go to our local car wash place to vacuum out our vehicle, because those vacuum cleaners you can use for free and they're high powered, but I find that they're getting worse and worse over the years, probably because they're free. A lot of people use them, so they're not as high suctioning as they once used to be. So I'm excited to see how this little guy works for me, and like I said, I will show you in just a minute all the attachments and what it comes with. Okay, I wanted to thank the company Xcool for sending me this little vacuum cleaner. I wanted to show it to you in the packaging that it came in. It comes with this really nice storage case, which I really appreciate. It does, of course, come with some paper instructions, and then it's, as you can see, very small and compact, so really easy to use. I'm going to be using this in my car today, but I'm very excited to be able to use this on my desk. If y'all have been around for a while, you know that I get crumbs in my keyboard, and I think I will clean it more often now that I have this device. But it also came with an extra filter. It's also charged by a USB cable, which I find this to be really convenient and nice that it is cordless. And then of course it has many attachments for all sorts of uses, so that is really great. So I'm going to be taking this out to my car to clean my car and taking you along with me while I clean out my car. Here, I did want to give this attachment a try. I thought it might work well for the bigger sections that I was trying to vacuum, but honestly, it worked better without it. So you will see in a little bit, I just go ahead and take it off. I will go ahead and talk up front right now about how I felt about this vacuum cleaner. I will say that for the main sections, it really didn't pick up any better than the vacuum cleaners at the car wash where I usually use them. But I will say that I think this kind of carpet, it's really difficult to get a vacuum cleaner to work. The dirt and the dust particles and leaves and whatnot, they really adhere strongly to this type of carpet. And honestly, it's a lot better to have this small device in your hand versus trying to finagle like a hose and the whole thing, you know, when you're at a car wash place using one of their vacuum cleaners. So it actually worked surprisingly well for how small it is. Okay, so I wanted to go ahead and dump this out. I don't know how much it can hold. I vacuumed the driver's side and the driver's side seat, so I wanted to show you how much it picked up. You just pull this vent. Oh wow, that's dirty. Whew, that is dirty. So it picked up quite a lot. And then the vent is very dirty. So, all right, well, let's keep vacuuming. I did want to talk about a couple of benefits I see from having this small handheld vacuum. You'll see me put this attachment on, and I loved this feature because that is one thing that I don't like about the vacuum cleaners that are at the car wash. They don't have these smaller attachments to kind of get in the grooves and the nooks and crannies. So I really appreciated having these attachment pieces where I could really get into the grooves and get all of that suctioned up. The other thing that I really like, as I mentioned, is that it is cordless, so there's no sort of hose to be dealing with, which is really nice. But also, it's just nice that I didn't have to drive to the car wash place to use the vacuum. And ordinarily, I would take my vehicle through the car wash. It made me feel better about using their vacuum cleaners to go ahead and pay for a car wash. So it's nice that I don't feel obligated to take my car through the car wash when I want to give it a good vacuum. I will say in the future, I may go to the car wash place to use their vacuum sometimes, but it's really nice to have this on hand when I'm not feeling it or I want to do a really quick once over with this vacuum or just clean specific spaces. Like it'll be really nice to be able to clean the console or just areas for just a quick cleanup instead of, I don't like to always have to do like a all over clean. I've really learned participating in those Tiny Tidy Tuesdays that I share with you on Tuesdays that sometimes something small is better than nothing. And I appreciate that about this little handheld vacuum cleaner, that I can do something small and that will be better than doing nothing.
When it snows, I'd like to see it land upon your wrinkled nose. I'll notice how your cheeks turn the shade of a rose. through winter snow, under the mistletoe, I'll learn to love you more and more.
Here, I was trying to get a shot showing you how this extension piece works, how I can get really deep into the nooks and crannies where I can't get when I'm using a bigger vacuum. It was kind of hard to get this footage, but hopefully you kind of get the picture. I will say one downside is that when this vacuum cleaner is on the highest setting, it does have a very high-pitched noise to it, but on this day, I wasn't wearing my headphones. A lot of times when I clean, I listen to music or Marco Polo videos or a podcast or something while I'm cleaning, but I didn't have them with me on this day when I was outside, and so I think if you wore headphones and were listening to something, that would alleviate that problem.
Summertime, under a sunny sky, I hope that you will still be mine. I hope that you will still be mine.
And while I was out there vacuuming, I decided to go ahead and clean all of the surfaces. I was just using some all-purpose cleaner for this, and it just made the vehicle smell so nice and clean.
This chapter may end, but you and I will stay friends till the end. I know I'll see you again, so let's keep on singing till then. I came to you with all of these emotions, the moment swelling up into an ocean. And I didn't know I'd be full of insecurity, but you met me there inside the mystery. Oh, all the places that we have gone, all of the places that I do and don't belong, they will be etched inside my body and my bones. I know it's time to go. This chapter may end, but you and I will stay friends, yeah, till the end. I know I'll see you again. So let's keep on singing till then. things that we have gone. We've gone all of the places that I do and don't belong. Don't belong. They will be etched inside my body and my bones. I know it's time to go. This chapter may end. It may end, but you and I will stay friends. Stay friends till the end. I know I'll see you again. I'll see you again, yeah, yeah. So let's keep on singing till then. We'll sing, we'll sing, we'll sing, we'll sing it again. Gonna play it now. This chapter may end, but you and I will stay friends till the end. I know I'll see you again. So let's keep on singing till then.
Lastly, I did want to clean the inside of the windows. Like I mentioned, usually when I do this kind of clean, I take our vehicle through the car wash and that cleans the outside of the windows. I actually did not take it through the car wash on this day, but decided to just stick with cleaning only the inside of the windows. And we do take our dog to the dog park and we usually take this vehicle. So I definitely needed to clean all of the paw prints and all of the wet nose prints off the windows. Okay, my friends, that is all I have for today's Sunday reset. I hope it gave you a lot of motivation for your day. And please don't forget to check out the link in my description box below if you're interested in checking out this mini vacuum cleaner and getting a discount. My discount code will be in the description box below. But as always, I really appreciate you watching my video all the way until the end, and I will see you next time. Bye!